The table show experimental value of two variables x and y. So this is the value of x, this is the value of y. This is known that x, y are related by the equation of this. So they want us to compute the x square root x and the y square root y. Okay, of this table. So the x square root x and y square root y. Why we will have the x square root x and x square root y square root y. So they want us to plot this against this. Then we know that this is the capital X and this is the capital Y. So we have to rewrite this nonlinear equation to the linear form. So we multiply with the square root x equal to a plus bx square root x. Okay, so we multiply with the square root x. So y times square root x, y square root x. A over square root x times a times square root x, then we have a only. So bx square root x. Okay. So this is y square root x equal to b x square root x plus a. We have the capital Y equal to m capital X plus c. Okay. So this is the capital X. This is the capital Y. So we know that the gradient, okay, so the gradient of the graph is b. And then the y-intercept of the graph is a. Okay, so we have the linear form. Okay, so over here they want to have the x square root x and the y square root y. Okay, so we can go to this uh, graph paper here. Okay, so we want to have the x square root x. So we have the x square root x. Calculate. We substitute the x as 1, then it will return 1. Okay, and then we substitute 2, then it will become 2 square root 2, that is the 2.83, and we substitute with 3, then it will become 3 square root 3, 5.196, 5.20, and then we substitute with 4, then 4 square root 4 is 8, and we substitute with 5, then it will become 5 square root 5, 11.18. Okay, and we want to have the y square root x. So we have the alpha y square root x. So calculate what is the value of y, 3.4, and then the x is 1. Then we have the 3.4. Okay, and then if we have the y is 2.92 and the x is 2, then we will have this. And when we have the y equal to 2.93 and then the x is 3, then this is the value. And we have the y equal to 3.1, then the x is 4, then this is 6.2. Okay, and then we have the y equal to 3.34, then the x equal to 5, then this will be the value. Okay, okay, so we look at the uh here they want us to use a graph to estimate the value of a and of b. Okay, so we have the 1.00, 2.83, 1.2, 5.20, 8.00, 8.18, 3.40, 4.13, 5.07, 6.20, and then 7.47. Okay, so X we have 1 until 12. Okay, so let's say uh we have the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, then the Y here we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so we have a 0 here. Hmm. So this is the x-axis, and then we have the 0 here, and this is the y-axis. Okay, so after we have the x-axis and the y-axis here, so we label it 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then we have a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is the x square root x, and this is the y square root x. So we have the 1, 3.4, 1, and then 3.4, and then we have the 2.8, 4.1, 2.8, 4.1, 2.8, 4.1, 2.8, 4.1. And then we have the 5.2, 5.1. So 5.2 and then 5.1. And then we have the 8, 6.2, 8, 6.2, 6.2. Okay. And then we have the 11.2, 7.5. 11.2, 7.5. 11.2, 7.5. Somewhere here. Okay. So we draw the line of best fit here. Okay. Oh, 1 point not connected. Okay. Hmm. 5.2, 5.07. Uh, okay. Hmm. 5.2, 5.07. 5.2, 5.07. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5.2, 5.07. Oh, I did a mistake here. Okay, so 5.2, 5.07 should be somewhere here. Okay, 5.2, 5.07, 5.2, 5.07 should be somewhere here. Okay, uh, so for this one, okay, what will we have is something like this. Okay, okay, so the y-intercept is 3, and then we can find the gradient. So to find the gradient, we can just take a point here so close to the last point, then this one is 10, 7. Okay, 10, 7. Okay, so we have the y-intercept, we have the 0, 3 and 10, 7 here. So the y-intercept is a, so the a is 3. Then the b is the gradient, 7 minus 3 over 10 minus 0. So we have the 4 over 10, that is 0.4. Okay, so after that, we need to estimate the graph value of y when x is 1.5. So d, okay, x is 1.5, x equal to 1.5. The graph that we have is x square root x. So we have the x square root x, we have the 1.5 here, then it is this 1.84. Okay, 1.8, 1.84, 1.8 lah. So the x is 1.8. So the value of x is 1.8 here. Then the approximation value for the y will be 3.567, 3.7, 3.7. So the y square root x is 3.7. So the y, they want us to estimate the value of y will be 3.7 over square root 1.5. So we have the 3.7 divided by square root 1.5. So the answer is 3.02. So 3.02. Okay.